All right, ladies and gentlemen, 9th day of May, 2024 on the Boardwalk. We're gonna walk all the way down round one. No alcohol beyond this point. Let's see. So, it's kind of got the feel of a, I don't know, what do you think? Myrtle Dirtle or kinda? Kinda. Pretty quiet here in May. We got the whole place to ourselves. A lot of small motels and hotels.
Some of these remind me like of San Diego too.
Yep.
Like these do.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Stay in one of those.
That's what these remind me of.
Yeah. I could own something like that. That'd be kind of cool. Nice little pool. Nice deck.
I wonder what these are. What hotel it is. Yeah, it's not windy out here.
No. Yesterday was a little humidity when we stopped in Delaware. It was a little hot, but we said we didn't see Biden on the way through. We would see the plagiarizer, but we didn't see the 46th selected president. So there. That's I like. I mean, it looks old, but I guess it's painted. It looks nice.
What?
It's an older one, but look how it's painted. It's nice.
I don't know what that is.
It's called
Crystal. Does it say Crystal?
Yeah.
Crystal Beach Hotel.
Crystal Beach Hotel. Yep. It's nice. Be nice. That'd be a nice house. Oh yeah. That'd be nice.
Do not poop on me.
No, it's a nice little hotel. It's painted. It's clean. You can have an old motel. Just make sure it's clean, updated.
Like this one reminds me of the other end of Virginia Beach.
Yeah.
The far end.
Yep. What are these called? What are these? Howard Johnson. You know, older one, but nice deck. Those are kind of cool. Walkable. They don't know.
You'll wake up at 3 o'clock tomorrow morning and you'll remember. And then you're like, oh, where's that lady? They blew what the Azaleas and the rhododendrons. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry if I wake you up tomorrow at 3 o'clock. I had to install an app, and I'm not going to install an app to identify a flower.
Right. Overcast day, but nice. Saw a bunch of old couple from New Jersey, bunch of tour bus going to some boat thing today. We were gonna jump on there and have a bunch of elderly people, but kind of against it. We had a
61.
We'd be at breakfast today.
Happy Jack.
Happy Jacks. It was not nice. I mean, it's not things are open, but still, it's just kind of quiet. Have the whole place yourself. You know. There's a nice little pool right there. Yeah, put a fresh paint on there, keep it up. remodel your rooms every 5 years. Put good stuff in there. Days in. As long as the room is clean, who cares? You're on the beach.
Our room is clean. So our room is clean. It met my criteria. Separate bedroom.
Right.
And a refrigerator. Deck. You like the room? Is the room okay?
Yeah, I just think the way it's designed.
Yeah,
is
the refrigerator right there is.
selfie spot. Oh, isn't that nice? Tag it. Huh.
But otherwise, it's fine. My favorite though was the one in Myrtle Beach. Remember, the bedroom was at the one end.
Yep.
The huge bathroom with 2 entrances.
Yeah, Sue Ellen. There's no disturbing the state law. Disturbing the
Remember
peace.
that one?
Yep.
That's been my favorite. It had the ceiling fan in the bedroom.
Right.
Oh, shucks.
Yeah. It's not too bad of a hotel. Days in. I mean, I'm not saying it's Embassy Suites, but oh, those are nice.
Grand Hotel. Oh, the only thing I don't like, see the thing dividing the,
Yeah.
it's, you can see through them.
Correct.
It
Now
should
the
be
hunch,
solid.
2024. Look at that, the hunch. Look at that. Never surrender, huh?
Are we going in or not?
We just well,
Huh?
on the way back or something.
Okay.
On the way back.
Get your beer pierced.
Yeah. There's a store. We'll go in there and look at some stuff. We'll see what ice cream parlor. This bike right
I don't
here.
like these.
I know.
They remember in Virginia, like people were like damn near running people over.
Yep.
They couldn't operate them.
Right. Big gyms, man. They got bikes in there probably. There they are. How big is he?
You can rent a tandem bike.
Yeah, arcade game room. Oh, it's closed. Oh, come on. Pizza, pizza. Just taking a picture. So, it's a beautiful day to walk. There she goes. I had to take a picture. Yeah, it goes a long ways. Sitting out there looking at the ocean, drinking some beer. You hear the birds and everything else. Eden Rock Motel.
Yeah, maybe not.
Staying there. I mean, like I said, paint a little bit, but yeah. All right, guys, round one.